Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to get your transcript or certificate from the University of Ibadan, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down the exact steps you need to follow, both offline and online, for your transcript collection. First, head to your department and request your transcript. You'll be asked to fill out a form and pay a departmental fee, usually from 5,000 naira and above. You might be asked to pay through Remita, so make sure to confirm with your departmental secretary. Once you've done that, your department will forward your request to the records office. Remember, the records office is the unit that handles transcript release and delivery. Step 2. You can start the online process on the same day or the day after you pay your department fee. Go to your browser and type UI Transcript Request Portal. The first or second link should take you to the official page where you can initiate payment and track your transcript. Next, click on the image icon under Initiate Transcript Request. Fill in the necessary details, submit, and select the type you want. Student copy. This is the only one you can collect personally from the records office within Nigeria if you're sending it to another institution within the country. Outside Nigeria, if it's going abroad, it will be sent via courier, and the charges for this will be included. To better understand which category you belong to, click on the General Information button on the page. The link to this page can also be found in the description box below. Step 3. Payment. To continue the process, you'll be taken to the payment page, where you'll be asked to pay via Remita or RRR. Fill in your details, confirm the amount, and submit your payment. Immediately, you'll receive a confirmation email and an e-receipt for your payment. After submitting the payment, go to the Continue Request After Payment column and click on the image. There, you'll be asked to fill out another form. Please note, the invoice number provided in the confirmation email from the records office will serve as your reference number. Step 4. Upload documents. At this stage, you'll need to upload your statement of result. Make sure you have a clear copy ready on your device. Include an address that best suits your case. For most student copies within Nigeria, you may receive them through the email you provided. Step 5. Tracking. After completing all these steps, you can track your application on the portal. Under normal circumstances, you should receive your transcript within 2 weeks to 1 month. If not, visit the records office for an official update. And that's it for the transcript process. Department first, records office online payment. Choose your option, upload your documents, and then wait for processing. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with other UI alumni, and subscribe. See you in the next one, where we'll focus on the certificate collection process.